Hi everyone. Welcome to Mind Matters from Abha Speaks. As you know, World Mental Health Day is on 10th of October. And from today onwards for 10 days, I would be talking about issues related to mental health. Today I want to talk about something that has personally been huge source of comfort and strength for me, music. Music isn't just for entertainment, it can be a powerful tool for nurturing our mental health. So let's explore how we can nurture our minds and emotions through melody. Music is a great tool for emotional regulation. Have you ever noticed how a particular song can instantly lift your spirits or calm you down? That's because music has direct impact on our emotions. Studies show that listening to music can reduce anxiety, lower blood pressure, and even decrease levels of stress hormones. It's almost like a therapy session through sound waves. Music therapy has been used in many mental health treatments. Whether you are feeling overwhelmed or low, music can help to regulate emotions and provide comfort. I feel a kind of personal connection with music. For me, listening to lo fi music has a calming effect. It has chill vibes due to its relaxed beats, simple melodies, and often muted sounds. It's perfect for reducing stress while still staying mentally engaged. Lo-fi or low fidelity hip hop playlists are great for background music while working or studying. It always brings a sense of calm, almost like I am being wrapped up in a blanket of sound. I'm sure you'll have songs or artists that make you feel better instantly. Think about those songs. They are not just pieces of art, they are emotional companions. There are different genres of music for different moods. Different type of music work for you differently, like instrumental or acoustic. It can help you relax, especially before bed when you are feeling anxious. Upbeat, energizing music is great when you are feeling low or need motivation. Think of how workout playlists always get you moving. Then there is classical music, especially something gentle like piano. It can be perfect for concentration and mindfulness, making it easier to focus or meditate. So, next time when you are in a particular mood, think about the type of music that can help nurture your mental state. The power of singing or playing instruments is great. Listening to music is powerful, but singing or playing an instrument adds to another level of therapeutic effect. You don't have to be a professional singer or musician to feel the benefits. Just humming your favorite tune can make a difference. When we actively engage with music, whether by singing, playing, or even just dancing to it, we are channeling our emotions. This helps to release pent up stress and can lead to feelings of joy and accomplishment. Now, let me share a little exercise with you. It's called mindful listening, and it's a simple way to relax and center your mind. All you need is a song you love. Close your eyes, focus on the music, and pay attention to each instrument, the rhythm, the lyrics, or the emotions it stirs in you. For those few minutes, you are fully present with the sound, and it becomes almost like meditation. This technique is especially helpful when you are feeling stressed or overwhelmed. Now, I love to hear from you. What's your go to song or artist when you are feeling stressed? Share it with me in comments below. I'll also be sharing some curated playlists with calming and uplifting tunes for you to enjoy. Remember, making time for music in your day isn't just fun, it's a part of self care. As we wrap up, just remember that nurturing our mental health is a continuous journey, and melody can be one of the most beautiful and powerful companions on that journey. So, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you incorporate more music in your mental health routine. So, stay tuned for more insights on mental well being right here on Mind Matters. Take care and keep music playing.